Student Startup and Innovation Policy 2.0. Startups and innovators are eligible to earn up to 2.5 lakh Indian rupees for each proof of concept, prototype, or innovation. The policy also provides IP support up to 100% of expenses. It also provides access to tinkering labs, innovation labs, incubation centers, and large-scale sensitization events and programs for developing scientific mindset. These advantages include collective or community-level support system and activities, and capacity building. The Scheme for Assistance for Startup or Innovation 2020. This scheme provides a seed support of about up to 30 lakh Indian rupees per startup, sustenance allowance of up to 20,000 Indian rupees per month per approved startup for 1 year, and 25,000 Indian rupees per month in case of at least one woman founder or co-founder per approved startup for 1 year. Additionally, startups are eligible for grants of up to 1 lakh Indian rupees for talent and skill development and 3 lakh Indian rupees per approved startup to enroll and participate for the acceleration program. Startups that have a significant positive impact on society may also earn up to 10 lakh Indian rupees. Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. Grants of up to 20 lakhs of Indian rupees are available through the Startup India Seed Fund plan for the verification of proof of concepts, the creation of prototypes, or the testing of products. Startups may also be given up to 50 lakhs of Indian rupees in funding for market entrance, commercialization, and scaling up through convertible debentures or debt-linked instruments.